Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'll take you through how to create a bootable USB drive using a free tool called Rufus. So Rufus is a utility, a free downloadable utility you can use to create your bootable USB drives to create your installations or to do your installations of your operating systems. So first things first, we'll go to Google Chrome and then we'll search for the download. I'll type download Rufus, press enter, and then you want to download the tool from the product's website. So I'll click on the first link, and then on the Rufus website I'll scroll down and view the various versions. I'm going to download the latest versions, which is the 4.5. I'll click on that to start the download. I'll click on the close on that one, and then the download should be done. It's just a very small file, very minimal file. So I'll click the open folder, and then in the folder I'll double click the Rufus application to run it. When that opens, you want to select the USB disk you want to use. At this point, you want to connect your USB disk to your PC, and then you can see that that is the USB I am using on this for this tutorial. So first things, you select your USB and then select the ISO image you're going to use for the installation. So I'll click the select, which will browse the PC. I'll click desktop because I have my ISO file on the desktop. So guys, by this time you should have downloaded the ISO image before you can select it. So the rest of the settings on the Rufus application is just straightforward. The only thing you would want to change is the name of the disk. In this case, I will call it Windows 7 because I'm using a Windows 7 ISO image for this bootable to create this bootable disk. So the rest of the settings, the partition table, the file system, the cluster size, I'll click the start, and then the warning will pop up that your disk, everything on your disk will be erased. So the first thing it will do is to erase everything on the disk before it starts the creation of the bootable USB disk. If you have a fast USB disk, for this process it should take not more than 15 minutes, but if you have a slower USB disk, it will take close to 30 minutes. Mine took a little over 30 minutes because the disk I was using was very slow. So guys, you can see that the bootable disk has already been created. So I will view it by opening it, and then there you can see all the setup files, the installation files in or on the disk we just created. So from here you can use this disk to create your installations. You can do this with a Windows 10 image file, Windows 11 image file, or any other image file you so desire to create your bootable USB disk with. So yes guys, this has been a quick video tutorial on how to create a bootable USB disk using Rufus. Kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos. Click on the like button if this was helpful. Share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.